Hey guys, so I'm just in Vancouver, and before going home back to Surrey, I figured I'll just turn on the app and see if there's some shifts available, and there are. So I'm just gonna do some deliveries and get some gas money, and then head back home. Hey guys, quick little tip. If you're at a store or a restaurant or a merchant and you're waiting a really long time, you can actually open up the chat with support at the top right here. And then you can actually talk to them and you can just let them know how long you've waited. And what they'll do is they'll actually reimburse you for the time that you've waited. You can pause the video if you want to read this in detail. But yeah, you can basically get reimbursed, or you can just get unassigned and they'll send it to another delivery driver. So yeah, pretty simple. Just give them a nice thumbs up. All right, that's it, guys. All right, guys, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. I started around 5:33 and I'm ending around 7:33. I'm here in Vancouver, gotta head home to Surrey. But yeah, that's been about 2 hours. So let's calculate that. About 27.39 per hour, not too bad. But as a friendly reminder, you've always gotta pay your taxes, right? With taxes, remember to track your mileage, because you can actually write off some of the gas expenses and things like that, and maintenance. And that way you bring down your taxable income and you pay less taxes, and therefore you have more money in your pocket to either play with or invest or do whatever, because it's your money. And yeah, if you guys want to give Skip the Dishes a try, check out the referral link in the description below. See if there are any sign-up bonuses. Sometimes Skip the Dishes gives us both a bonus whenever you sign up and complete your first 30 deliveries. But yeah, let's sign out, because I'm not getting any orders. Continue. Not enough orders. End shift now. Sometimes it does this. It's really annoying. And then it gives me an order. It's like, what the heck? I'm trying to sign out and go. Come on, Skip the Dishes. Fix this. Yeah, there you go. See, they were trying to give me an order. I think that's what's happening. It's like, they're like, no, you can't sign out. We've got an order for you. All right, so I'm going to accept it. I do want to keep my acceptance rate above 80%. And it looks like it's not a bad order. So $7.25 for 3.7 kilometers. Not too bad. All right, guys, for real this time. Let's log out. And there we have it. And I did pick up an overflow shift from 8:15 to 9 p.m. as well. But, I mean, I can drop that shift. Right? Or what I can do is at 8:15, I can just log in and hit pause. Because, I mean, I don't know if they actually track how many times you drop a shift like this. It says dropping a shift less than 48 hours in advance negatively impacts the network. So I don't know if they keep track, and so I don't want to do it too often. I'll just log in, hit pause. I mean, that's probably better. I mean, I don't know if they are that robust and track that either. Like, how many people have logged in, hit pause? I don't know, but that's what I'll do. So yeah, let's see how much money we made here. So $62. I started at 5:33, so it's about 8 right now. So let's say 5:30 to 8 to keep it simple. So that's 1.5 hours. So 62.03 divided by 1.5. No, that can't be right. 2.5. It's gotta be 2.5 hours. Okay, yeah, that's more like it. 60.03 divided by 2.5. There we go. So 24.81. That's not bad. And also, one thing to keep track of is your mileage. And then remember, you can actually deduct gas expenses, so you pay less taxes. And one of the apps that I use for that, and I actually just realized I forgot to turn it on, is Stride. So what you would do is hit plus and then track miles. And that would actually track where you drive, for how long. So yeah, I can hit, and then you hit I'm done, and then you can hit delivery or whatever job it's for, right? But yeah, I did actually forget, so it's a good thing that I reminded myself, and I'm reminding you guys. And what I can do is just delete what I just created right there. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for today. If you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please do like and subscribe for more. All right, guys, happy driving, safe driving, and have the best day ever. Peace.